Hello, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube TV password. Now it's a very easy process, so what you have to do is open your browser. Now for directly changing YouTube TV password there is no option because your YouTube TV is linked with your Google account. And if you still wish to change your password, you will have to change your Google account password directly. Because as you can see, your account is linked with your email address. Now, in order to change your Google account password, what you have to do is go to your profile icon right over here at the top. Then click on manage your Google account. And then right over here, you will have the option of security. Click on this option. And then if you look down right over here, you will have the option of password. So click on this option. And then once the new panel appears, you will have to enter your current password. Then after that, just simply enter a new password and confirm that password. And after that, your password will be changed off your Google account and with that, your YouTube TV as well. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.